This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Tuesday, March 25th. Very low volume session. Let's jump right into this. We had 140 new highs on the NYSE versus 225 new lows. We had 43% advancing versus 54% declining today. 65% of stocks were below its 50-day moving average, and 57% of stocks were below its 200-day moving average. Now, the Dow worked really hard trying to close green. We closed up 4 points, so a nothing burger there. The NASDAQ was up 83 points, leading to the upside, up almost 0.5%. The S&P 500 was up a measly 9 points. We were about to close break even, but the last few minutes, we rallied those 9 points to finish green. It was a Mag 7 and Mega Cap day. Outside of NVIDIA, curiously, which was down 0.63%, Microsoft was up 0.5%, Apple was up 1.3%, Amazon 1.2%, Google 1.6%, Meta 1.2%, and Tesla bouncing again up 3.4%. Taking a quick look at the sectors, it was a mixed bag. To the upside, your communication services up 1.27%, consumer cyclical was up 0.53%, financials up 0.46%, energy up 0.42%, basic materials and tech both up only 0.25%, industrials barely up 0.11%, leading to the downside, your utilities down 1.3%, healthcare down 1.29%, real estate down 1.1%, consumer defensive down 0.9%. I'm really pulling teeth here, folks. The SPY ETF traded 35 million shares today. Its average daily volume is 55. So barely a little bit over half of the average daily volume traded on the SPY. The QQQ was not much different. Looking at profitable companies in the NASDAQ, you only had 3 companies that were making new highs today. In the S&P, you had International Paper Company up 6.5%, Tesla, as I mentioned, up more than 4%, Freeport-McMoRan up 3.3%, CrowdStrike 3.3%, Fox was up 2.9%, Palo Alto Networks was up 2.7%, Netflix 2.6%, General Motors 2.5%. In the NASDAQ 100, you had Trade Desk up 4.8%, Zscaler 2.7%, Mercado Libre 2.7%, Adobe bouncing here 2.3%, Fortinet 2.2%. On the weak side, that list is actually pretty long. UPS down 4.9%, Merck down 4.7%, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals down 4.2%, Veritas down 3.7%, AbbVie 3.7%, Crown Castle 3.7%, Dollar Tree 3.6%. You'll notice a lot of biotech and healthcare names like Bristol Myers Squibb down 3.05%. There was a lot of headline news with RFK, who is the new health administrator, and potential legislations there and or tariffs that might be implemented against pharma. So that was a headwind today in the NASDAQ 100. You had Regeneron Pharmaceuticals.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.